Welcome to this tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed our channel, today let me flash an iPhone using iTunes. It says contacting iPhone software update server. The iPhone software update server could not be contacted. If you have this kind of problem, check your internet connection. Your internet connection is having issue. So let me check it here. Still says the same thing. So let me reconnect my hotspots or my internet provider. What I'll do, I'll close iTunes, or I'll close iTunes and open it again, or I'll remove the phone and reconnect the phone again. Any of it, good. Can say it's not connected because my internet is connected. So let me try and flash my iPhone. Here's iPhone 6, and it says to restore your iPhone with iOS. This, you need to install the latest iTunes. This sound strange. So let me go to my browser and download the latest iTunes and try again. I'll tap on type iTunes, but in order to make it faster, type iTunes download or search for iTunes download. Go to download the iTunes. Here it says download iTunes for Windows, manuals and downloads. So I'll click on this, because this one will take me direct to where I can download my iTunes. iTunes for Windows. I have to read all the documents if you are new here, but I'm not new. So I'll go straight to downloads, like the software. So my Windows is 64-bit, so I'm going to download for 64-bit. If you are not sure of your Windows, you can check it. So check for your Windows. Go to your PC or computer, right click to properties, and you're going to see the bit here. A system type, that's the bit. So mine is 64-bit. So I'm going to download it. I scroll down and click on download. Since I've downloaded this before, so there's no need of downloading it again. That's why it's saying iTunes 64 setup 1. So if I go to my downloads, I'll see I've downloaded. So I'm going to cancel this. So well, okay, so you have to wait for it to download finish. I'll go to my downloads where it's saved, and this is it here. So I'll click on it. But before that, let me uninstall the old one so that I can install the new one. I'm going to uninstall the old one. So I'm uninstalling the old one from control panel so I can install the new one. I hope you know how to uninstall a software and reinstall it. If you don't know, please check the link on the description. Even how to install iTunes afresh, also check the link from the description. So let me install the iTunes I just downloaded. Follow the screen instruction. So I don't want to make iTunes the default of my music. So I untick that. Wait for the iTunes to install finish depending the speed of your system. Good. You say finish. So open iTunes after installer exists. So I'll click on finish. And this is iTunes. So you're going to open now. I'll click on restore iPhone because I want to restore the iPhone. So this is the latest iTunes that I just downloaded. So let me try it again and see whether it is going to work this time around. Say to restore iPhone with iOS, you need to install the latest iTunes. So the problem continues. So this time around, I'm going to use 3 U2s. Click OK, then click go to flash. Let me select fix flash. Then select that. It's already imported. Then click on flash. Click flash again. And you can see it has started flashing. Meanwhile, iTunes says no. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends. If you want to know more about flashing, check your link on the description or the comment that can take you to my course where I teach how to flash iPhones, how to flash Android phones, and other ones. It doesn't cost much and they are going to gain much.